I will talk about how can you select for storage space on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options, then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on history here, just click on it. When you just click here on history, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just come here to voice storage says, click here in this sign. So then here can you select here voice storage says in this list on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.